Okay guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna playing this game. It's really fun. It's called Build a Beehive. And yeah. So, I am gonna go here and I'm gonna sell my honey. And I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna buy this and this and this. Perfect. Now I just need to transport to my beehive. And now I'm gonna put one lavender seed, one daisy seed, now I'm gonna put sunflower seed right here. And now I'm gonna put the split leaf clover over here. And oh, I got two. Perfect. Now we're gonna harvest honey. Maybe a little more. Maybe a little more. Perfect. Now we just gotta go sell my honey. Now I'm gonna buy something. Maybe I should buy this sunflower. How about two? Now I'm just gonna go to my beehive. Now I'm gonna put these two sunflower seeds like this. Perfect. Now what do I do? Oh, so guys, maybe oh, I have so many bees. Don't you think? I just started this game like yesterday. Don't you think, guys? Whose beehive is that? Maybe I should wait a little. I can hear the little bee sound. Maybe I should wait a little bit. Like maybe I should harvest honey. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the sell button. I'm gonna sell all my honey. Maybe I should not buy something. Oh, Mom. Just for a starter who started yesterday. Maybe I should go with this thing. This is almost the amount I have. Isn't it? A bumblebee? A little bumblebee is gonna... What was in there before? Hey, the little bumblebee got a little spot for it. Okay. Okay, maybe I should harvest some honey now. Maybe I should go to sell. And maybe I should sell all my honey. So I got 327. Now I'm gonna buy the sunflower. Oh, I get a bumblebee. Let's go to my beehive. Get a ninja and a bumblebee. Now maybe a sunflower, 2 sunflower seeds. Wait, I thought it was 2. Whatever. Okay, guys, so maybe I should like say bye to you guys. But I hope you have an awesome time. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment your favorite part of this video. Okay.